Hello everyone and welcome to another video from me, and today I want to take a closer look at another Transkit from Fugu Garage, this time with the code Fugu-KIT017, and it is dedicated for the Toyota Supra A90 to turn it into a Street Hunter Widebody version. Basically, you're turning your Toyota Supra from Tamiya, the A90 version, into a widebody Street Hunter version. I've taken a look at the Fugu website and this kit wasn't available. It's not even listed. I think it has been unavailable for quite some time now. However, I decided to make this video. Maybe it becomes available, or else you might find one available from another modeler, and with this video you will know exactly what you will be getting. So let's start opening it up and see the contents that are included with this Transkit. So basically, we have three different bags. The first one contains the side skirts and the front spoiler. The second one contains the arches, and the third one contains the rear spoiler. This is an instruction sheet which I have downloaded and printed directly from the Fugu website, and it shows you in 6 different steps the guide for the installation of the Transkit. So basically, if we start taking a closer look together, we begin with step 1, where it tells you to cut off the original Tamiya side skirts, install the widebody Fugu version, install the front fenders, install the front spoiler, the rear arches, and finally the rear spoiler. So it shows you very basically how to tackle the installation of this Transkit. Let's take the parts of the bags and take a closer look at what exactly you have included. So there we go, 3 different bags, 3 different sections. Let's begin just like the instructions. Alright, so step 1, cut off from the Tamiya kit and then install the side skirts, which are these 2 right here. The side skirts, we have that molded, that panel line over there for the front, and the casting is very good. I must say that I was trying to find any possible defects, however I didn't manage. We have also those rivet holes included. I hope that I managed to capture. Over here we have one of them. There are multiple on the front and the back. So those are the rivet holes that in reality attach the wide body to the actual body of the car. So the other arches also have those rivet holes. However, there are no rivets included with this Transkit. So if you want to go full reality, adding the rivets, you might want to think about getting a separate set of rivets before beginning the actual installation, to be sure that they are available in hand when you actually need them. Very, very good casting. Once again, another panel line over here. So those are the side skirts. We have the front spoiler that attaches beneath the front bumper. There you go. You can see the details that are actually included from the front and also the sides. So up until now we have tackled the side skirts and also the front spoiler beneath the front bumper. And then we have the arches. So those are the front, which are easily recognizable from that vent. Let me get a better zoom. From that vent we can also see the rivet holes, and over here there is also the panel line. And when I say that air vent, it is actually this part right here that sits beneath the original front bumper and the new wide body. That is why the Transkit has that piece which looks like it is missing over there. So that attaches to the front hood. And then we have the rear arches. And the difference is that one of them has the fuel filler right there. Once again, we can see the rivet holes together with a panel line right there. So once again, you might want to think about getting some additional rivets before you begin the installation. And those are these pieces right here that attaches to the rear mudguard and also the rear bumper to create that wide body over there. Finally, the rear spoiler, which on the box you can see an illustration of it from the front, and on the instructions you have an illustration showing you how it looks actually from the back. And the rear spoiler is actually this. 3 pieces. On the inside they have that slot so that the spoiler can be inserted into them for easier installation, while on the front they have that detail. Let me find the best possible zoom. On the front they have that detail right there, and it is a very good thing that they are supplied separately, because if you want to make the middle part in carbon, it is much easier to do it like this while they are separated compared to having them as one whole thing. Alright, so that is all, that is everything that is included. So this is a very good Transkit, very high quality molding, and the only thing that you might want to think about is obviously a nice set of rims that complement this body kit, and also those rivets, because at least for me, I didn't find any rivets included with this Transkit. I thank you all for watching. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you are considering, maybe you did see one for sale and are considering buying it, let me know in the comments below. I will be much more than happy to read and answer to each and every comment I receive. Please leave a thumbs up, that will be very appreciated, and I will see you all into my next video, while I thank you all for watching.